What happens when one of America's most iconic muscle cars suddenly transforms into something bigger, bolder, and far more controversial? What hidden risks, reliability concerns, and long-term ownership costs could buyers face when a legendary sports machine becomes a utility vehicle? And is Ford's bold leap into a never-before-seen segment a revolutionary step forward or a gamble that early buyers might regret? Today, we dive deep into the all-new 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup, a vehicle that blends raw muscle car excitement with truck-like practicality, stirring excitement for some and anxiety for others. Ford's move is shocking: a Mustang with a bed, a sporty stance fused with utility proportions, and a new identity that challenges everything traditionalists thought they knew about the brand. This machine promises performance, capability, tech innovation, and versatility. But it also raises massive questions about long-term durability, hybrid complexity, real-world towing strength, and whether this first-generation experiment could bring unexpected maintenance headaches. From the moment you see it, the Mustang Pickup commands attention with a front end inspired by the Mustang G-aggressive LED DRLs, a wide hood, sculpted muscles along the fenders, and aerodynamic shaping that screams speed even when parked. Its compact athletic bed is crafted from lightweight composite materials, offering modular rails, built-in lighting, and sporty side cladding that signal this truck was indeed designed for construction sites but for lifestyle adventures, urban hauling, and weekend performance fun. But combining coupe aerodynamics with truck duties raises a critical question: will this design help fuel efficiency or hurt it at highway speeds? Will the rear's boxy nature disrupt airflow and create wind noise? These subtle aerodynamic challenges could become long-term annoyances for owners expecting Mustang-level refinement. Under the hood, Ford is expected to offer multiple powertrains: a torquey 2.3-liter EcoBoost tuned for better low-end pull, a hybrid-assisted V6 promising both performance and efficiency, and rumors of a Coyote-inspired variant that could turn this into the hottest sport truck in its class. But with greater power comes greater stress. Muscle engines aren't traditionally designed for towing, and towing components aren't usually designed for high-revving Mustang behavior, so could thermal management issues, turbo strain, or transmission stress appear earlier than expected. Hybrid components introduce new worries too: battery longevity, cooling complexity, and expensive repair bills if something goes wrong outside of warranty. On the road, the Mustang Pickup aims to deliver sharp handling, quick steering, and Mustang-like precision, far sportier than mid-sized trucks like the Tacoma or Ranger. But this raises questions: how will it behave under load, with a full bed or a trailer? Sport-tuned suspension might reduce body roll in corners, but stiffer setups can wear bushings faster, stress shocks more under towing, and create brake fade issues during spirited driving. Early adopters may discover these trade-offs years before improvements arrive in the second generation. Inside, the Mustang Pickup blends digital sophistication with subtle practicality. You'll find dual displays, a driver-focused cockpit, high-quality, synthetic leather, and dramatic ambient lighting that echoes the Mustang's performance DNA. The cabin is sporty, modern, and tech-heavy, but that's exactly where long-term risks begin. As screens replace buttons, owners face potential issues like touchscreen failures, software glitches, sensor malfunctions, and rising repair costs as dealerships charge premium rates for diagnostic and electronic repairs. And while the bed includes thoughtful features like hidden compartments, tie-downs, lighting, and optional power outlets, buyers must still question whether the electronics exposed to outdoor conditions will stand the test of time, or whether weather-related failures could turn into costly service visits down the road. Ownership costs could be another major concern. First-generation vehicles often reveal hidden flaws after a few years, and with hybrid tech, new suspension tuning, and performance-oriented engineering, maintenance may not be cheap. Insurance rates might rise due to the vehicle's sporty classification. Real-world MPG may fall short of EPA estimates, especially if owners drive it with Mustang-like enthusiasm. And parts availability could be limited in the first few years, meaning longer wait times for repairs and replacements. In terms of competition, the 2026 Mustang Pickup is entering a brand new niche, essentially creating a muscle utility vehicle segment. It sits somewhere between the Ford Maverick, the Ranger, and performance-trimmed Tacomas, while also taking a swing at electric sport utility pickups like the Silverado EVWT. Its appeal lies in offering excitement without going full truck, performance without sacrificing practicality, and uniqueness in a market crowded with predictable designs. The question is whether truck owners will find it capable enough, and whether Mustang loyalists will accept its new shape and purpose. For weekend adventurers, lifestyle drivers, and performance lovers seeking something dramatically different, the Mustang Pickup could be a thrilling new option. But for buyers needing proven long-term reliability, heavy towing strength, or minimal maintenance costs, this might be a model worth waiting on until Ford works out first-generation quirks. Still, one thing is undeniable: The 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup is one of the boldest moves Ford has made in decades, and whether it becomes a future legend or a fascinating experiment, it is already cemented its place as one of the most talked about vehicles of the year.